Welcome everybody to the Taj vlog. Well, usually it is the management which takes the faculty out, but today the tables have turned. Abhishek sir, who makes the promise of rewarding the rankers as well as the students who score above 70, a Taj trip. So today is the Taj vlog. Let us all go and have some fun. First, picking up Abhishek sir from the hotel before we head to Taj. Let's go. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
Sir, ready to empty your wallets for the students arrive today?
Definitely, sir. It's not about emptying the wallet, it's about taking memories for them and being with them because they have done very great things in a intermediate law theory paper. Getting 70 is a very big achievement.
Absolutely. So excited to meet our toppers.
Definitely, sir. Getting a rank and getting 70 in theory paper, that's the only achievement I wait for. If somebody message me, sir, I've got 70, on that day I'm like, अच्छा मैंने तो अच्छा पढ़ा है. That's more important for me.
Excellent. Let's go and meet the students. Sir.
Definitely. Let's go and meet the students. So for me, going to Bombay Taj or going to Bangalore Taj, it is looking like exactly same because of only one reason: traffic. It's been more than an hour, I think, that we are stuck in the traffic. We have not reached from our class that is in Jayanagar Yashash Academy till Taj MG Road. So people who know the distance, actual distance, they can calculate the traffic distance also. So for me, there's no difference here. So we are just 10 minutes away from our destination. I'm so excited to meet all the rankers and people who have got 70 plus. So it's gonna be an amazing dinner party for all those people who are gonna watch this. It's an inspiration, guys. Take this, and we actually what we promised, we are delivering it today. And Nilesh sir, are you excited?
So for dinner at Taj, I'll always be excited.
That's true. So hi guys, finally we have reached Taj, and let me introduce with all the Taj winners who have reached here with all the due difficulties, I would say, and the happiness. So what made you come here? There are two reasons. One is either you get 70 in my subject or you're a ranker. So you need to tell what's the reason for yours?
I got an AIR 22 in CA Inter Jan 25. So that's why I'm here.
How's the feeling?
It feels nice. It was long due.
Obviously, finally.
We're here.
So your parents doubting that whether you're going to actually Taj event or did they ask you any questions?
No. They knew about this. I told them when you had told in the class.
Okay.
And now they're like, oh wow, finally you achieved it. Go have fun.
So they were happy.
Yeah, they were really happy.
They did not doubt in whether the sir will take or not.
No.
So they know. Okay. So tell your name also.
Okay. I'm Shreya Padiyar.
Okay. Great. Thank you for coming, Shreya. Thank you. So Raghav, congratulations. Firstly, you have come to Taj. Okay. How's the feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling great.
Okay. Did you inform to your friends that you are going to Taj?
No, like I came to know by evening, today's evening, so no one knows this.
So no one knows this. So tomorrow you're gonna boast it about it to your friends?
No, I just post in some social media. They asked me.
No, but in front of friends, will you share this?
Yeah, sure.
So because for me, I would say it's a very big achievement.
Yeah.
The reason is because in a theory paper. What was your reason to come to that?
I got AR 31 in September 24.
AI 31 September 24.
Yeah.
Okay, tell your full name.
Raghavendra.
Raghavendra. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Raghavendra. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so So what's the reason you are here? What you got? You got rank or 70 plus?
Okay, so I got both of them.
Both of them.
I got an All India rank 42 and I got 72 in law.
Law.
Yes.
How's the feeling?
It's amazing, sir.
Feeling is good?
Yes.
So are you happy?
Very, very happy.
You're very happy. And
Yes,
how's
sir.
your family happy about it?
Yeah, my mom's been asking from day one, when is that Taj happening?
So you could have got your mom also today.
Yeah.
Nice. I wish you all the best. And in CA final again, I'll be taking audit. So there you have to get again 70.
Sure.
Because there could be another Taj event or could be anything much bigger than, because in finals, rank and 70
Yeah.
is two again big achievements of life.
Thank you. Thank
Okay.
you. Sure.
All the best.
Thank you.
How's the feeling, Danya?
It feels really good.
Okay. So you got 71 in audit.
17 audit.
70 in audit. So what was your approach if somebody is asking how to get, because audit is very much scared.
I think it really depends on the notes that you refer to, and it was perfect for me. I was
Okay.
very glad
So
because of
now the next is CA final.
Yes.
What's the target of CA final?
want to do more than this.
80 should be target. 80 pe Taj I should close. But
If-
one single attempt or not two attempts? One-
First attempt.
Okay, are your family happy, parents happy?
Very happy.
You are proud doing this course? Okay, so all the best. See you in CA final 80
Done.
or maybe rank. Either of
Would
it.
love to get that.
No, but obviously if you try a little harder, you will definitely get it.
I'll aim for it.
Definitely. We will together aim for it. Okay, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Work also. Like you have your own firm. What would you prefer more?
For me, it's like both of my hands. I can't choose amongst either of it. Same thing is with, if you ask me about law and audit, for me both are equal.
Correct.
So it's basically two hands of my life. I can't choose law or audit. I can't choose CA firm or I can't choose the teaching. Teaching is passion. If you tell me like I have taken 7 hours a class, I have taken Bombay, we take 10 hours class also. So it's all passion. Obviously money is there, but passion is more driving. Firm is because teaching is teaching till my throat is there. One day I'll also retire. Somebody would replace me definitely. So CA firm is always a plan till your retirement. It's a retirement plan. So because you eventually have clients will come every month, every quarter, half year, annually. So you build your empire that way. That's the reason. Okay. Thank you. Want to see my Taj Club 70 plus Bangalore 2025? This is it. We'll be coming again next year with the Taj series, Taj Street. If you want to come back again, either get a rank or 70 plus, whichever is earlier. See you at Taj next time. All the best.